Hello guys, hope you all are doing good and welcome to another grand interesting video on our BAH channel, right? And in this today's video, we're going to learn about a new fluid object and our last fluid object, that is fluid Terminator, okay? So we have already seen all these fluid objects in our videos which are available in a playlist named Fluid Simulation on our YouTube channel. You can watch those to understand more about fluid objects used in fluid simulation. Okay, so this was our factory which we have used creating for the fluid simulation understanding, where we create oil cans, okay, and then we used multiple objects in the same model and tried to understand different scenarios, properties of each object, and how those can be used and set up. Okay, so in the last video we have understood about fluid blender. Before that we understand about fluid splitter, and in this today's video, as I discussed, we will be understanding about fluid terminator. So stay tuned with us till end of this video and you will be getting something more to know and learn and have insights related to fluid simulation. So if you could look at, I'll just reset this model. This is how the fluid terminator looks like when it has been dragged, just like a truck and a tank. Okay, so it's looking quite good, but it's just like a sink we have in fluid simulation for our basic simulation. Just like a sink, it is what we have in fluid terminator in the fluid simulation. Okay, so what we have to do, okay, it's quite simple. The ports, the output from whichever tanks or units you want to destroy, put in a sink that is no more used for you in a simulation. You can just connect that to the tank. So for me, it's like I blended the fluid, came into the tank, and now this tank has to be emptied or even transferred or deleted from the system. That is where I have connected this to this fluid terminator. Okay, so it's just like a truck. Now let us understand the properties of this fluid terminator, how we are going to connect it with a connection. So with a connection, you're supposed to connect that to the fluid terminator. When I double click, you're going to have the properties for the fluid terminator. When you look at this is similar to the what other objects of fluid also had input port properties. The maximum total input rate from all ports and from the single port you're going to have, and then you're going to put in the different scale factors. Then we are going to see that triggers which are going to have are on reset, on message, and custom draw. These are similar to what we had for blenders, fluid display labels, generals, and the statistics. So most of the stuffs, if you could look at, these are all similar to what our another fluid objects had. So now let us look at the journey of fluid simulation, how we started. So we understand, we started with fluid generator, where these generators of the fluid simulation are used to create the fluids. We created the fluid. You can watch this video. You can watch our video created detailed on understanding what is fluid generator, why to use it, the properties, and how we have modeled this in detail. So if you could look at, here is what we had modeled this. Then after that we understood about fluid tank. Then we had a mixer into our play, where you used to mix the material from different inputs and create one output. And then if you could look at, we had a fluid conveyor. And now if you look at this is an oil flowing onto the conveyor, and then we filled those oil into our fluid cans of 5 liter each. So these are our oil cans, okay, filled from the oil at this station. And then now we again poured these cans out and again converted it to the oil, and then we add that oil moving onto the fluid conveyor coming to the tank. Then we learned about creating fluid pipes, advantage of fluid pipes, why we need to use, properties of the fluid pipes, and then we again transferred it to the tanks using fluid splitter. We understood about fluid splitter, then we understood about fluid blenders in the last video, and in this video we are at Terminator. And thanks for staying with us till this complete journey of fluid simulation. It was a great experience sharing with you, and this is once we have done fluid terminator, and this is the end of the video. So this is all about fluid simulation. If you haven't watched our videos, do visit our website behaviorchannel.com, our YouTube channel Be Aware, where we have a dedicated playlist for discrete event simulation and fluid simulation. We bring in a lot of exciting stuff on our Be Aware channel. If you want to contact us for any support related to your, company projects, your student projects, support related to Flexsim simulation, you can reach us out from our website behaviorchannel.com, where we'll be happy to support you. We have a lot of exciting educational content on our Be Aware channel, that is website. We have blogs, we have health content, we have personality development, we have personal financing, and a lot of stuff. Just go and explore that. You'll really love that. So let us meet in another grand interesting video on our Be Aware channel. Till then, what you're going to do is keep watching Be Aware and keep simulating. Bye-bye. So welcome to our website behaviorchannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is, discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have vlogs which are literally going to groom your, skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation, for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students, for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for, simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs, so you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative things. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought your personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on our YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for, managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background, So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can, explore our content, where we share our, views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the, best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is, an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple, things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.